Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get unbanned from Grindr. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Grindr app. So you need to update your application first. Once you can see that my application is up to date. Then you need to go and go into the settings and go into the app management. Click on app list, search for the Grindr app, click on that, and here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. But let's suppose this method not work for you, so you simply need to download any VPN, because sometimes it will ban you on your IP and you need any VPN. But let's suppose if VPN is not working, so the last method you need to use is to go onto the settings and go onto the system, and you need to reset your smartphone from here. So once you done that, after that you need to create account on Grindr, or you need to try to log in into your previous account and your issue will get solved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.